Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fab Finds, and we have got an unboxing to do today from Louis Vuitton. Hey, how's it going? We are out by the pool today. It is very warm in Alabama and sunshiny, and I'm in my ball cap again today. And shorts and big t-shirt, but sorry guys, it is what it is. Love me anyway. This is from Louis Vuitton Saks. It is a piece that I needed to travel with, and I am really excited about it. I don't think not only is it going to be a good travel piece, it is going to be a great everyday piece. I travel almost every day. In some way or another, we travel a lot, even if it's within the state. So, yeah. This is the perfect item for me. It'd be great to go with the family. This is the Louis Vuitton box. And thank you, Allie. Love you, girl. There you go. And Louis Vuitton is dropping all kind of collections and all kind of beautiful new bags and things, and yeah, I gotta get with it. But the basics first, and so this is a must-have, and I sure did need. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing of the box. Beautiful accordion tissue paper. And this was boxed in store because it was a piece that I was lucky that they had in stock. So if you are in the area and you happen to be close to the Birmingham Saks, make sure to stop in and see my girl Allie. She is a sweetheart, and she takes really good care of me. There's our Louis Vuitton box. We will put our bigger Louis Vuitton box over here out of the way. Down here, I'm gonna grab a little booklet. It's my receipt. It's with them. With the receipt. So, and you get one of these if you purchase it from one of the stores. It's one of the actual printout receipts. If you order it online, you just get a printed online receipt. So, here goes the ribbon with our little ID card here. I mean, not ID, gift card here. See, pretty sure that's blank. I'll check that out in a minute. But blue ribbon with Louis Vuitton. And here it goes. Oh, it smells so good. It's the air coming out of the box smells good. that smells really good. I don't know what the perfume in the area is there, but smells delicious. Okay. Without further ado, it's the Louis Vuitton MM toiletry pouch. And I intended on having a light go chain, like one of the ones that comes with a Felici, to give a little demo of how I intend to attach a chain probably here, and may do an insert, but for now, just imaginary as a clutch. She has black leather on the outside. She has black leather on the tab. The tab says Louis Vuitton Paris. And there's black leather on each side. The stitching is straight. She looks good. It is just one piece of canvas that rolls around. Go hardware. Open it up and we have a black interior. And I'm not sure if the interior is leather or not, but it is not microfiber. And it has a 6-card slot pocket. I'm not sure what that says. I can't make that out very well. But God, it smells good, y'all. That smells really good. But its actual technical name is the Toilette NM. And if you'll note that Diana, Princess Diana, made these famous, carrying them on her vacation and on her trips, and carry them as a clutch. So, and this is how I will be wearing mine. I think they're great. You can put toiletries in the bag, and then once you get there, take your toiletries out, place them on the counter, and continue using it as a clutch for runabouts or for that evening with a little black dress. So, and that's the way that I intend to purpose this this product. And even the Go Zipper Pull is stamped. You can crossbody these, like I said, with an insert. I'm not a big crossbody girl. There are certain cases where you need one, particularly if you're carrying a big bag and everything. I think, although people do with a little bag for obvious reasons. Not a problem with certain one of those. I think the double zips are good for that. But as for me, and this is beautiful smooth leather. I'm going to bring these up and let you do a good 360 on a Cosmetic Pouch, and then we will cut the video because this is the only piece that I ordered for today. So okay. Just a beautiful, beautiful, marvelous piece to add to any collection. Will go lovely in any bag or luggage set that you have. I love how Louis coordinates. Yes, and I'm enjoying my pieces that I have now, and I am looking forward to some more pieces in the future, maybe, and the good Lord willing. And the luxury that I purchased is purchased one jackpot at a time. I am a gamer, and so whenever I get lucky at the casino, I get a little luck to spend. And so this is our latest addition to the family. Click like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. I hope that it's an informative video that helps you make an informed decision on the purchases that you make. And wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. And I want you to know that you are worth it. And I will see you guys on the next unboxing. And I will more than likely still be carrying our lovely toilette. Bye, guys.